Hi guys, here we've got iPhone and let me show you how to turn your camera into dictionary. So at first you need to open camera app now and just focus it on the text that you would like to translate, and now tap on this icon to detect the text. So here you've got it, and now all you have to do is to click on this arrow. So let me do it one more time. Mark the text and tap on this arrow, and here you will notice Translate. And then pick the language to which you would like to translate it to. In my case it's Spanish, so here we've got the translation. You can also listen to it if you wish. One more time.
¿Estás buscando una solución de restablecimiento completo?
And that's it. Then obviously you can copy the text, also the translation, change language and so on. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.